Nice. And this is the same way that this main pump right here on the left-hand side with the bigger, this can also drive our CIP spray ball up to the kettle as well. So it's kind of multi-function there.
Yeah, it pushes the spray ball, pushes our whirlpool, and the pump also pushes our transfer to our to our FV. So
nice.
So we usually kick this guy on. We run it again. I go gentle, gentle little touch. I could probably whip this faster, but I like to go 4 or 5, about halfway mark there.
Yep.
And just let it go for about 20 minutes. So I'll set a timer here.
And again, it's one of those things like you don't need to be drawing a huge vortex on it. You know what I mean?
Right.
You can potentially like create some haze issues downstream. So yeah.
Yeah.
Get it to where it's spinning and then let it drop.
I feel like we don't want to. We love our babies and we don't want to shake our babies.
Yeah. No shaking babies.
Yeah. It's worked out nicely for us, and we'll show you at the end. There's a nice little cone down there, so you'll be able to check that out.
Dave and I earlier were talking about the protein break in here. I'm going to be interested to see if that break material is a little bit different, because I know when I've gone from base malt to base malt,
okay,
because it's the first time you're using Barke Pils
so
in here,
it'll
be interesting to see how that true pile, if there is any difference or anything like that.
Yeah, we've already noticed some differences, so this is kind of a fun first run with this Wireman base malt. So definitely lighter.
Yep,
it's a pale boy.
It's a nice one. I love this malt.
Yeah.
Whirlpool action. You can see it spinning around the outside edge, getting all that stuff moving.
That's right.
All right, man. So where are we at right now?
Cool. So we just finished our whirlpool, and we finished our 10-minute rest. Now we're getting ready to knock out here.
Yep.
And we're gonna try this new setup that you were kind of recommending, and I like it. Before that, we were just taking our knockout hose, and we would bring it back here, and we'd kind of sit it on top of this hose, so obviously so it wasn't touching the ground. But it's a way for us to run all that water out until we see beer, and then we shut everything down, attach our tank.
Yep.
But this way I think you did a video earlier on the whole process of burning that out. So what we're doing now is we're running that hose. As soon as we're done with the burnout, we can attach directly to the tank with a block and bleed, and then this will allow us to dump any water that was packed in this line out. Until we see it in the sight glass turn to beer, and then we'll shut that down and we'll open to the tank and start filling that way. So
nice.
Quicker.
All right, I'm going to start rolling over here on it, and you can go ahead and open up your valves over here.
Okay. Oh, I gotta shut this.